Hello friends,
Today we are very happy
because we are going to talk about
Karakoram Range, Ladakh Range and Jaskar Range.
Himadri Range, Himachal Range and Shivalik Range.
Arauli Range, Vindhya Range, Satpura Range and Satmala Range.
Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. Annamalai Hill, Cardamom Hill and Palini Hill.
Malwa Plateau, Central Highland, Bundelkhand Plateau, Rewa Plateau and Waghelkhand Plateau.
Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Dandakaran Plateau and Batsar Plateau. And also we will discuss about
Small hills like Dafla, Miri, Abor and Mismi.
Patkoi Boom, Naga Hill, Manipur Hill and Mizo Hill.
Garo, Khasi and Jaintia.
Mikir, Rangma and Barai. Gir, Barda and Manda. And also about some highest peaks.
अरे वाह इतना सब कुछ.
हाँ.
Let's start it.
Himalaya,
Trans Himalaya and Main Himalaya.
Trans Himalaya,
Karakoram Range, Ladakh Range and Jaskar Range.
Main Himalaya.
Himadri Range, Himachal Range and Shivalik Range.
Himadri is called.
Greater Himalaya.
Himachal is called.
Lesser Himalaya.
Shivalik is called.
Outer Himalaya.
Karakoram,
Located at POK in India.
highest peak.
Mount Ketu or Gaudinastin.
Glacier,
Sasaimin, Siachen, Hisfar, Biafo and Voltaro.
Siachen.
Highest battlefield in the world.
Between Karakoram Range and Ladakh Range, which place is habitable?
Dras.
Between Ladakh Range and Jaskar Range, which river flows?
Indus River.
Any cold desert in India?
Ladakh Desert.
Where it is located?
From Ladakh Range to Jaskar Range.
What is Kailash Range?
Extension of Ladakh Range.
Any river flows from Kailash Range?
Yes, Indus River and Satluj River.
What is the physiographic division of Himalaya between Indus River to Satluj River?
Kashmir Himalaya or Punjab Himalaya.
Any famous peak of Jaskar Range?
Mount Comet.
When Himalaya enter in Pakistan?
It's called Suleiman Mountain.
When Himalaya enter in Afghanistan?
It's called Hindu Kush Mountain.
When Himalaya enter in Myanmar?
It's called Arakan Yuma Mountain.
When Himalaya enter in Bay of Bengal?
It's called Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Main Himalaya started from Nanga Parvat in Jammu Kashmir to Namcha Barwa in Arunachal Pradesh.
Highest mountain peak on the Himadri.
Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Lhatse, Makalu, Dhaulagiri, Annapurna, Nanda Devi.
Lesser Himalaya divided in
Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar, Masuri, Nag Tibba, Mahabharat.
Shivalik Range in easternmost state is divided in small hills.
Dafla, Miri, Abor, Mismi, Patkoi Boom, Naga Hill, Manipur Hill, Mizo Hill, Miki, Rangma, Barai. In Madhya Pradesh, plateaus are divided in
Malwa Plateau, Central Highland, Bundelkhand Plateau, Rewa Plateau and Waghelkhand Plateau.
Where is Malwa Plateau located?
Malwa Plateau located in Madhya Pradesh between Arauli Range and Vindhya Range.
In northwest of Aravalli Range.
There is Thar Desert.
In southwest of Aravalli Range.
There is Malwa Plateau and Central Highland.
Tell me something about Aravalli Range.
Aravalli Range starts from Palanpur in Gujarat to Majnu Katila in Delhi. Its total length is 800 km. In Rajasthan, Aravalli Range known as Jarga Hill. In Delhi, Aravalli Range known as the Delhi Ridge. In Rajasthan, on the Aravalli Range there is Mount Abu. On the Mount Abu there is the Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of Aravalli Range. Near the Guru Shikhar there is the Dilwara Temple. Dilwara Temple is the Jain temple. Narmada River flows from
Narmada River flows from north of Satpura Range.
Tapi River flows from
Tapi River flows from south of Satpura Range.
and both are joined.
Arabian Sea.
In Gujarat the hills are
Gir, Barda and Manda.
Vindhya Range is divided in
Vindhya Hills, Bhandel Hill, Kamur Hill. Western Ghats started from
Tapi River to Kanyakumari.
in Maharashtra. On Western Ghat, two peaks are
Kalshubai and Mahabaleshwar. In South India, on the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, from north,
Annamalai Hill,
from south,
Cardamom Hill,
from east,
Palani Hill,
make a knot
called Anaimudi, that is the first highest peak in South India. When Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet together to make a knot on the border of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu is called Nilgiri Hill. On Nilgiri Hill there is a peak called Dodabetta. Dodabetta is the second highest peak in South India. On Annamalai Hill there is a peak called Anaimudi. On Nilgiri there is a peak called Dodabetta. Anaimudi is the first highest peak in South India. Dodabetta is the second highest peak in South India.
Name the hills located in Tamil Nadu. Javadi Hill, Sevarai Hill, Panchamalai Hill, Sirumalai Hill, Palani Hill and Varusnath Hill. Name the hills located in Andhra Pradesh. Nallamalai, Venkunda, Palkonda and Nagari Hill. Name the hill located in Telangana. Sisachalam Hill. Name the plateau with the border of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Chota Nagpur Plateau and Hazaribagh Plateau. Name the plateau in the Odisha. Dandakaran Plateau and Batsar Plateau. The plateau located in South India. Deccan Plateau. If this video is informative for you, then you can like it, share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you. Bye bye.